You bought a TRICO Ice wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to properly install the TRICO Ice wiper blade onto a pinch tab arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs for the pre-attached adapter. These tabs are labeled Press and are located at the back of the adapter. Pinch the tabs at the back of the adapter, then rotate it up to a 35-degree angle. Lift adapter until it disengages from the blade. Discard it. Now, locate adapter BC and rotate it to a 35-degree angle. Lower the adapter onto the pin until it clicks in place. Adapter BC must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Press the tab on the front of adapter B. Lift shim C off of adapter B and discard it. Hold your thumb firmly on the front of the blade adapter, raising the back end up. Align the wiper arm tabs with the tabs on the back end of the adapter and raise the blade into the underside of the arm. Rotate the blade up until the tip of the arm locks into the front of the adapter. The adapter must lock onto the arm where indicated. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.